Good morning. Today we are discuss about drive system stepping motor. There are two main drive circuits for stepper motors, namely unipolar and bipolar drive circuits. Unipolar drive circuit for three-phase variable reluctance stepper motor. One phase of bipolar drive circuit for permanent magnet of hybrid stepper motor. The stepper motor driver receives low level signals from indexer or control system and converts them into electrical step pulses to run the motor. One step pulse is required for every step for motor shaft. In full step mode with a standard of 200 step, micro stepping mode of the drive may be required to generate 5000 more steps pulses. Types of step motors. For industrial application, there are basically three types of technologies. There are utilize translators to convert the step and direction of signals indexer into electrical pulse to the motor. The essential difference in the way of energize the motor winding, the circuit that perform in this task is known as switching set. Unipolar. The name of unipolar is derived from the fact current flow is limited one direction, as such that with a switch set of unipolar drive fairly simple and inexpensive. The drawbacks of using unipolar drive, however, is limited capability energize the winding at any one time. As a result, the number of amp turns torque is reduced nearly 40% compared to the other drive technologies. Unipolar drives are good applications that operates at relative low steps rates. R and LC drives a circuit. Today's old technologies still exist is same lower power applications because it's simply inexpensive. The RL drives, they are related to dropping resistor to get the almost process. Here, bipolar chopper. Bipolar chopper driven are most widely used driven for industrial performance and high efficiency. Bipolar chopper use an extract the switching transistor to eliminate the need to power sources. Additionally, these drives use feedback voltage proportional to the motor current. Motor winding use bipolar feedback voltage proportional to the full supply level, tuning one set of current until the required level is reached. At the point is the switch opened, decay, loss over time, occurs the preset position reached, process start. The motor at all times in below circuits, the details micro necessary switches MOSFETs will work to figure the connection and implementation of the diode for included of orientation process. Each phase of switches shown in figure TTL input, the 5 volt supply used for logic circuits including 7407 open collector figure will be regulated the most power typically between 5 and 24. The needs minimal regulation. It is worth nothing that power switching circuits are appropriate for solenoids, DC motors and other inductive load as well as driving the motors. The SK3810 transistor shown in figure, a Darlington over the 10 milliamps flowing through the 470 ohms more through the enough transistor switch is a few amps. The 74074 Darlington may be replaced any high voltage open collector chip can sink at least 10 milliamps in even that transistor fails the high voltage open oscillator driver protect the rest of the logic circuitry for the motor power supply. A bidirectional single phase on logic sequencer. Here phase A, phase B, phase A, phase B. Here the angle of conduction Q1, Q1 dash, Q2, Q2 dash. Here Q1, Q2 combination. Here Q1 and Q2 dash. Here Q2 dash 1 Q1, that is Q1 into Q2. Here the sequence of the function to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the phase sequence of the module. In the continuous energized, here 1 and 5, 1, 3, 5 will be conducted. Other one is the 2, 4, 6 will be conducted. Then next combinations for 2, 3 and 6 combinations. Here 1, 2 and also 4, 5. Here the 1 and 4 combinations. Another one is a 1 and 5 combinations. Here 2 and 6 combinations. Here the 3 only conducted. Here another one is the phase sequence of these Q1 bar, Q2, Q2 dash, Q1 dash, Q2, Q1, Q2 dash, then Q1 bar, Q2 dash, Q1 into Q2. Here the combination of 1 and 3, 5 combinations. Next one is a 2, 4, 6 combinations. Then next one is a 1 and 2, 5 and 6 combinations. Then 1, 3, 4 combinations and 1, 4 combinations and only 3 combinations only until the conduction of 2 only, and first one and fifth one is the phase sequences will be conducted. Connection between a sequencer and a driver. Here the diodes must be compulsory bypassed a small capacitor. The polarity essential with the diodes protect the transistor against a reverse bias. In the event the transistor fails, xenodiode 100 ohms resistor protected. TTL circuitry, the 100 ohm resistor will also act somewhat a switching timer on the transistor. Here family of Darlington arrays for the also available D2 200X multi-motor windings, other inductive loads directly from logic circuits. Transistor with the TTL compatible inputs. The basic resistor of each Darlington is matched standard bipolar TTL. Output: each NPN Darlington wired, it is a emitter connected pin 8 as a grounded pin. Each transistor in the package is protected by 2 diodes, one emitter to collector protecting against the reverse voltage across the transistor, one connecting the collector point pin wired positive diode will protect the transistor against the inductive spikes. For the motor drawing under 600 milliamps per winding, the UDN 2547B quad power driver mode will have handle the 4 windings common unipolar stepping motors. For drawing under 300 milliamps per winding, and then the alternative included some logic with power drives. Thank you.